We're going to construct the net of a triangular prism, or draw the net of a triangular prism. Now this is a sketch of what it should look like. Okay, this side we're going to make it 8 inches, this side 3 inches, and of course if this side is 8 inches, all the other sides with 2 strokes in them should be 8 inches as well. This side 3 inches, so all the other sides with 1 stroke in them should be 3 inches long as well. And then this line is 4 inches, so all the other sides, or the other line with 3 strokes in it, should be 4 inches long as well. Now to do this, you're going to need your ruler. Again, you're going to need your ruler, your compass from your geometry set, and your set square. And your set square. The set square is also in your geometry set. Yours might look a bit different from this one, but I hope you'll get the idea. So let us start to draw our net. Now I'm going to use 1 centimeter for 1 inch on my space because I do not have as much space to work with, but on your construction paper, you're going to draw it to be 8 inches. So let us start by drawing this side, 8 inches long. Of course, you start at 0 and you stop at 8 inches. Next, you'll need to have these sides right here. Now, if you look at this carefully, you'll realize we have a rectangle here, and these angles, the angles here, should be right angles. So we need some right angles here. That is where your set square comes in. So we're going to use the set square to get the 90-degree angles that we need at the side. So what to do, you place it, what you should do is to place it along the original line drawn at one of the sides, and then this side here will guide you to the 90-degree angle. So you just need to draw a line from this side to meet the original side drawn. You can draw it as long as possible. So there we go. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So there we have it. These angles are our 90-degree angles. Okay. So we're finished with the set square for now. Now back for the ruler. And your compass. Now remember that these sides that we need here should be 3 inches long. So what you're going to do, guys, is to get the compass, open it to 3 inches on your ruler. Just measure it to 3 inches on the ruler like that. You're going to stick the compass right at this corner here. Remember, it was open to 3 inches, so you're going to mark it off like that. So here to here should be 3 inches. So this point here will be this corner here. You're going to take the compass to the other corner over here and do the same thing with this line. So right here will be a 3-inch line as well from here to here. We're going to use the ruler now to connect those. You can draw them as broken lines, but these won't be actual outer lines. These will be broken lines, like the crease. We're going to fold it along. So we have our first portion here, right here. So let us think of these two lines here. These two lines here. Each of them should be 4 centimeters long. So we're going to use the ruler to measure another 4 centimeters of this line drawn. So This portion, this line and this line, they should be here and here. And each of them should be 4 centimeters or 4 inches long. So let us use our ruler and get those lines. Or rather, we're going to use the ruler and the compass to get those lines. So we're going to extend the compass to 4 centimeters long or to 4 centimeters wide. So measure it on your ruler in that manner. You should have it at 4 inches. There we have it. And we're going to stick it where the 3 centimeters ended for the previous portion taken off. And we're going to mark an arc. Now this portion here will be, since we open the compass to 4 centimeters, this portion will be 4 centimeters and it should be this portion right here. Then we're going to do the same to the other side. So this portion is 4 centimeters as well, and it is this portion right here. Then we're going to use the ruler and draw the line across. And of course, we're going to make this line broken. I'm going to make it broken because it's not an outside line, it's going to be one of the creases. And I'm going to fold the net along to get your solid. So this portion that we just made is this right here. So we can make this other portion now. And remember, this line is matching this line. There's 1 stroke in each. So this should be 3 inches long. And of course, this one is going to be 8 inches long as well. So our task is to get 3 more inches. 3 inches, 3 inches to get these 2 sides there. So you're going to open the compass to 3 inches. You're going to measure that on a ruler, and you're going to mark those. You're going to make those marks now as we did earlier. So we're going to start over 3 inches there. Make the arc, so here to here will be 3 inches. And then we're going to do the same on this side. Make the arc, so there goes a 3-inch cut off. And then now we use the ruler to get the line straight across. There we have it. So these 3 sections are this one, and this one right here. Now we can use our eraser to erase this extra line. You don't even have to erase it because since you're going to cut it out of your construction paper, you don't really need to erase any lines. Okay? Now for these 2 triangles, this one here and this one here. Now remember, each side on these triangles will be 3 centimeters as well. Well, this side and this side will be 3 centimeters, right? This side 3, this side 3 as well. So what we're going to do again is open up the compass to 3 centimeters, and the base of the triangle with this line, you can see. Good. So we need these 2 lines to be 3 centimeters each. To open the compass to 3 centimeters. Now to get those lines, this is what you're going to do. And if you have difficulties following this, you can replay over and over until you get exactly what to do. So to get this triangle here, we're going to jump the compass at this corner. Remember, this will be one of the corners of the triangle. We're going to make an arc, or mark a piece of a circle, or circumference with the compass. That's an arc, remember? And then now we're going to stick the compass at the other end of where the triangle should be as well. That will be here. And just make another arc to intersect that one right here. So we need this crossing right there. That's what we really need. And we're going to do the same thing on the other end. Take the compass at where this corner of this triangle should be. Make an arc in the manner shown. Then we're going to lift the compass, and remember while you're doing this, please do not adjust the compass. We want to change it to remain at 3 centimeters wide. And we're going to make just another arc now. We can make it smaller because all you need to see is where it crosses the first one made. Okay, now for the ruler, we're going to use a ruler to join the corner to the intersection made. This intersection, this crossing right here is what is important from what we just did. So we're going to use the ruler to join it from one corner of the triangle. Let me use a different color on this to make it clear to where that crossing is. Okay, and then now to complete the triangle, we draw that other line from here down to this corner here. Good. So this triangle here is this one right here. And then I guess as you can imagine, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Corner to the intersection. And then now to finish the triangle, that should be on this side, we draw that line. This is actually the net of the triangular prism. Now you're going to cut it out of your construction paper, and that is one of the nets you should bring as your homework. I'm going to make a sketch of what it should look like when you fold it. If you didn't, that will help you if you didn't imagine what it will look like already. Here's a sketch of what it should look like when you fold it. It should be looking like this. Of course, these broken lines are lines on the other side of the see. So your object should resemble this triangular prism here. So that's it.